Hello everyone, welcome back to Lux and the world's tiniest bottle of prosecco. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Lux and Wine. My name is Caitlin if you're new here, and if you are new here, I always forget to say it at the beginning of the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. But today I have something special for you guys. It's another unboxing. Surprise, surprise. So this bag definitely falls under a bag I never thought I'd buy. When this bag first came out, I was like, absolutely not. I am never gonna buy this bag. I cannot get behind this trend. And then the pandemic happened and the world changed and the way that I go to work changed and kind of my whole lifestyle changed. So anyways, first let me pour myself a little prosecco. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I've used this glass before, but these are really cute. My husband and I got these when we got married. I don't know about you guys, but I've always been obsessed with like this shape of glass. I don't know, it feels kind of fancy and vintage. Oh, that's really good. So I found this is called The Collection. It's a really inexpensive, like I think this bottle was like $4 or $5, and I think this was from Target, because I thought, when I film, I want to kind of drink different wines or different things. And often I film multiple videos in a day. And so I don't want to have to open up multiple bottles of wine. So sometimes I'll just drink the same bottle of wine for a few videos. But I was like, this way I can mix it up a little bit and not waste a whole bottle. So let's get to what you guys are all here for, which is this bag, which you guys are never going to guess. Hey guys, one thing I really miss when I lived in a place that I didn't have to pay sales tax. There you go. I've been waiting a while to unbox this. So I'm kind of excited to see this bag again because it's been a few weeks. Also, can I just say pandemic shopping is really interesting. So at Louis Vuitton, they had a line, you had to wait. And of course, you had to wear a mask and we had distance. And it actually really wasn't that bad, kind of getting used to the new normal. When you go out to Highland Park though, in Dallas, it's like one person in the store at a time because the stores are a lot smaller. And I actually really liked that, aside from the fact that you have to wear a mask the whole time, which is, it's uncomfortable, but I prefer, it makes me feel safe to do that. It really wasn't that bad. And it was kind of nice having a really nice private shopping experience. It made things go faster. Neither one of us, like myself and my associate, aren't wasting each other's time. And then they're not being pulled away trying to help a bunch of other customers. It's actually really nice. I could totally go for a private shopping experience all by myself in a store. The best luxury experience. I would definitely say 2 of the 3 stores I went to in Highland Park were the best luxury experiences I've had, just because I got to be the only person in the store, even though we both had to wear masks and there wasn't even water or champagne or anything, but it was really nice. First of all, no, it's not a multi-pochette, which doesn't even come in this anyway. What about now? I already have the pochette Matisse. That's not what it is. Final guesses, comments down below. No cheating. I'm gonna give you a couple seconds. I've literally never even talked about this bag on my Instagram or anything. You guys, I got a bum bag. Just everyone drink to the fact that I got a bum bag. Okay, so it's a little squished. So I've seen this a lot on several different people. I think probably Lux Mommy I've seen wear it the most, but also I was inspired by the way that Tamara wears the multi-pochette, because the multi-pochette I kind of knew from the beginning that it just really wasn't my thing. But I've really liked the way that I've seen people wear this casually, but also I was thinking I could wear it dressed up. So I'm not sure exactly what that's gonna look like yet, but I do go back to traveling a little bit this week, so I will be wearing it. So the idea of this was being fully hands-free without my bag resting anywhere and being in a more secure place on my body. When you're wearing the pochette Matisse, it's kind of hanging down. Anyways, when you're at a place where you don't have a place to set your bag, but you don't want your bag necessarily on your back like a backpack, I thought this would be great. So I like the idea of having the bag in front of me and not behind me like a backpack would. And so to me, that feels way more secure. And then you can get in it and, get your things. I know Lux Mommy had said that it's not as easy to get in and out of this one is like, I know she has the Gucci one too. Gucci's just not really my style. I'm just an LV girl. And I really wasn't planning on getting another signature piece. I actually wanted this in the empreinte leather so that I thought it would have gone up and down a little bit easier. But the empreinte version of this is just a little bit too small, and this actually fits all my things. So anyways, I'm really excited about this. I'll see if I can take a couple of photos and like put it in for you guys. I know it might look a little ridiculous on camera, but I promise you guys this looks really cute. I tried it on in the store and I was wearing casual clothes that day, but I really cannot wait to try styling this with dressier clothes. Cause like I said, Tamara does that really well. Like taking bags that you would normally think are like really casual, but putting it with like a blazer and like dressy dresses and things like that, kind of giving an edge to pieces that you would normally think, oh, you can only wear that with jeans. So, I mean, I plan on wearing this with like suits. In case you haven't seen the Bumbag before, this strap is fully adjustable. You can unbuckle this to get it on and off if you don't want to wear it like crossbody. This part is fully adjustable and adjusts quite a bit. You've also got this little top handle that's a lot like the push-up Matisse one. You've also got this really nice back pocket, which this is probably where my phone's gonna go because then it's right up against me. And then inside, there's two zippers. And I definitely foresee my bag charm, one of my bag charms going here to here because I have the Florida Monogram bag charm, which is a chain that goes like that. I think would go there really cute. And then it's just kind of open on the inside. It's got a nice, just regular black interior. There's no slip pocket or anything. But I will say this is a made in France piece, which I have noticed I got super lucky. It was just an accident. It was the only one they had in the store. And I was like, oh my God, Manny, it's made in France. And he was like, yeah, because I don't have any made in France pieces, at least not in the bags. All of my bags are, I think almost all of my bags are made in the USA. I think I have one piece that's made in Spain. But anyways, this is my first made in France bag. So I'm excited about that. So anyways, that's pretty much the features of the bag. Okay, so this is the bag that I'm currently wearing, which is the Pollen bag that I unboxed a few videos ago. But anyways, I'm gonna move my stuff from in here to in here. As you can see right there, everything sits in there pretty nicely. I've got my pochette accessoire in the back, got my little baggie of like sanitizer and lotion because that's our life now. I've got two key pouches. One carries my keys and one carries extra cards. So both of those are in there. And then I've got my wallet, and that all fits in there. And then there's still actually room if I wanted to put my phone in here. So I'd probably put my phone right back here. So, and that would gap a little bit, but I think, and I have a case, yeah, even with a case and a pop socket on my phone, that actually closes. This is kind of such a nice squishy material, and actually with my things in there, I almost don't need a bag organizer. It's actually holding its structure with the things inside really nice without being too squished. And there's still room to spare. So that's pretty cool. Nothing stressed or strained. Follow me on Instagram at Lux and Wine. And I will give you guys an update on what I end up using for this bag or if I just don't do an organizer. So we'll see. But anyways, I am going to be using Apple Guard on this bag because obviously this bag does have a lot of Vachette leather and I am not a fan of water stains. I do like patina, and my Pochette Matisse that I have sprayed, I actually have done a video on spraying my bags, so I'll link that down below for you. In that video, I did cover everything in paper towels, but the way that this one is, I will do some paper towels, but I have learned how to work with canvas a little bit more to where you can really just like spray it and wipe it off. The hardware is kind of the tricky part because this hardware will spot and tarnish. So, and this is such a beautiful shiny hardware, and this bag does have the shiny hardware all over. It doesn't have like the Speedy hardware. For whatever reason, the Speedy zippers are different. They're like a kind of a not as shiny. Actually, I think the zipper is the same, but like the actual, this part is different on the Speedy. This is really nice, beautiful, shiny hardware. Like I said, I'll probably treat this and this. And then also, I am really excited to wear bandos on these. So I pulled this one out because this is like, I thought this would look so cute. So I'm gonna stick a little bando on here real quick. I think I want to wear, I think bandos will be so cute with this. Here's a little something. I think that'd be so cute. I also think this brings just a little bit of femininity to the bag. So I think it's super cute. I really like it. And I think it's gonna be so cute. Doing some little bandeau styles on this, something different. Maybe I'll wrap the strap, I don't know. Definitely gonna be using my bag charms. I'm so excited. I think it's gonna be so different. It's so different from anything in my collection. I have not owned a bum or waist bag since like 2000, probably 2006. In 2006, I owned a waist bag that I wore when I was working, doing merchandise coordinating for a clothing brand. That would have been the last time I owned something like this. And I really liked it. It worked really well for my job at the time, but this is so cute and so much more fashionable. So I'm super excited about it. That's what I have for you guys today. So thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me and checking out this bag. I'm super excited to share it with you guys more on Instagram. And I do have some reviews coming up soon since it has been a year since I bought some of my other pieces that I showed you guys last year. I'm gonna start doing kind of my 1 year wear and tear, how I feel about these bags now. Look for more of that. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Hit that like button if you like videos like this, and don't forget to leave a comment letting me know what you'd like to see next. And if you have any questions about this bag or bag organizers or anything about this, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.